Welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how we can basically create a developer account on the Salesforce so that we can build a Salesforce app. Okay, so developer account is basically a free we can use to create a Salesforce app, either a Lightning app or a connected app. Okay, so to create a developer account in Salesforce, just visit to developer.salesforce.com. Okay, so in here you can click on the browse trials. After clicking browse trial, it will open page, and we need a Salesforce developer edition. A Salesforce provide multiple editions, so if you want to check out, so you can click browse all trials. So they have a developer, CRM, MuleSoft. So these are the some editions that Salesforce provides. So we need this Salesforce edition. So just click on this. So now it opens Salesforce Developer Edition a form to basically fill. So here we need personal information like first name, last name, your email address, what's your current job role, okay, and the company name, country, and postal and username. Okay, username should be in email address format. It should not be email, but kind of a email format like at the rate and dot wire. So just fill this, and Salesforce send you one confirmation email to your email address. Okay, so let me finish this form, and then I'll show you the email. So once you fill the sign up form, you will Salesforce will send you a one confirmation email to your email address that you have entered. So let's open our address email account. So let me sign into my Gmail, and I'll show you how the mail will look like. Okay, so here we got a verification email from the Salesforce. So it looks something like this. So here you have to basically verify your account. Okay, so you just click the button or just copy paste this URL in the browser. Okay, so and this is your username basically. Okay, so click on verify account. So at the first, it will ask to change basically change your password. Okay, so let me enter password, confirm password. So it should contain 8 character, one letter, and one. You can choose your 30 question. Okay, but okay, so in what city was your first role or child nickname? So yes, okay, and just click password. Okay, so here we got one in the password. Your password cannot equal or contain your username. Okay, so we have entered something in my password that are my username. So let me change this. Okay, okay, now we have successfully changed our password. So the first something look like this is our developer account. We can see it's a developer account. So in the URL, uh, like this is our username -dev, and -ed is the prefix to donate this developer account. This is something look like. So here you can check your all objects that comes inbuilt in Salesforce. So this is our home tab where you can find all the apps and all the here in the app section you can find all the apps like okay, so here we have option like lightning app connected yet. In the upcoming video I'll show you how we can create lightning or a connected app in Salesforce, and we will explore more about this Salesforce.